Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for a quick and flavorful meal, today I am going to show you how to make an easy chicken karahi. Before starting the recipe, if you are new to our channel, please click on subscribe button. Let's get started. Start by heating 1 cup of oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add 4 sliced onion and fry them until they turn golden brown. Once their color changes, then add 6 chopped tomatoes to the pan. Mix them well, cover and cook on medium flame until the tomatoes are soft. Once done, add this mixture into the blender and make a smooth paste and set it aside. In the same pan, add 1 kilogram of chicken, mix well, then add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix everything well and fry the chicken with this paste until color changes. Once done, now it's time to add some spices. Add 1.5 teaspoon of salt, mix well, then add 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix everything well, cover the chicken and fry with these spices for 5 minutes. Next, add the blended tomatoes and onion paste to the chicken. Mix everything well, then pour in 1 cup of water. Cover the pan and let the chicken cook on low flame for 20 minutes. Once the chicken is done, add 4 chopped green chilies and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Give it a good mix. Then finish by adding 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander. Cover and let it simmer for 2 minutes. And there you have it, a flavorful and easy chicken karahi ready to serve. Enjoy this recipe with naan and rice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!